I'm gonna do it, guys. Was very just that you used to advise out your parents. Now I have to call your parents to do this. Unbox the top. Unbox the top. Whoa, it's piecing together. Guys, remember, you have to use the scissors with your parents. And look at snow, glitter, and some stars, and some marbles, and if you that's the snow. And if you snow, Elsa was in the snow because he don't want to go in the Red Castle because she let her sister go, and he don't want to go. Let's unbox. Let's move this garbage away. So now, I'm gonna put these scissors back in my mom's desk in the cup. Here you go. Hello, lady. Hello, little lady. So, stop. That's just how we do it. Oh boy, you play with slime? That's funny. Mystery. More? There's a lot of mysteries in here. This time needs help. More mysteries. I'm gonna call my mom. Mama!
Yes, Kylie.
There's a lot of mysteries and they can't take them out.
Oh, what is this? Nickelodeon slime? What's inside?
Yeah, and there's a lot of mysteries. I tried to get the pink.
A lot of mysteries in here.
Yeah.
What's inside?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, let's open it. Maybe I should go get the scissors again. Let's see what's inside.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Alright, so this box says, what goofy fun, what's inside. This is Nickelodeon slime.
Oh, I got the rainbow one.
What color is this, Kylie?
Orange.
Okay, let's see what the orange says. What has inside. A tray.
A tray? Let's do this.
Some beads.
The beads.
What?
More decorations?
More decorations than what we have. Look.
Yay!
Shells.
Yay! Now we can do our slime.
Okay.
So I'm going to put these decorations in this.
Okay. What is this color?
Pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite color?
Yeah. Or purple.
With purple?
Yeah.
Play-Doh! This is not Play-Doh, this is slime!
Slime? What the world? A lot of slime, Princeton.
Okay. What's inside? What color is this?
Green.
Green. Inside.
Slime.
What? Crystal clear.
Crystal? That's from Adrian's mom. Is that
And here it says crystal clear. And more?
What?
Okay.
World?
What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. This is the biggest box I've ever seen.
Me too. Oh, I want to put this on it.
Uh-oh. What is this in here?
What?
Clear slime glue.
Look, paint.
Slime activator.
Look,
Paint.
paint. That's not blog the blog, guys. That's weird. That's for picking cookies.
Slime glue.
Slime glue again. A cup.
A cup.
That's for drinking
More
milk.
snowballs.
Yay! Huh? Can we do that?
Okay.
That's for taking a checkup. A spill?
That's a good checkup.
A spill?
Okay.
Look, there's a spill.
There's a spoon.
Yeah, that's for eating, not for slime. That's for the slime block.
Let's open this one up.
Yeah, I wonder what it is.
Let's see what this is.
Mama, now I'm gonna start.
What I see here is that these slimes are done. So why don't we just put them together and we're gonna make our own slime, okay? So these are already done. Let's just stack them up together.
Look, there's two pinks.
Two pinks.
And there's one yellow.
One yellow.
One orange.
Okay, so we could just put them here.
Like wrong.
Yeah.
Like wrong, like crazy.
Like crazy. And then, okay, so do you want to make like slime?
Yeah.
All right, so let's see what the instructions are. It says, in a little bowl. Oh, we could do this bowl. Let's do this bowl. I think it's going to be better.
Yeah, it's going to be better.
Okay, we are going to put...
Adding what? Oh, it's just my car.
Right here. 15 milligrams. Let's find the 15 milligrams, okay? So we are going to pour up to here. Okay, you're going to hold it and I'm going to pour.
Oh, are you done?
We've never done slime before at home, so this is our first time doing slime. So we're going to make sure we pour everything. Make sure we take out all the glue.
Take out.
Okay.
I'm making more space.
And then it says, okay, measure 25 milligrams of water, room temperature, and pour into the same bowl as glue. Mix until fully blended.
Oh.
And then we're going to mix, right? So we're going to mix until it's blended completely. Oh, my hands are gluey. Okay, so now we are going to do the slime activator. So here is the slime activator, and we're just going to put 5 milligrams. Okay, don't pour it all. You got to pour a little bit. Pour just a little bit so Mama can stir. That's it. That's it. Let Mama stir. Pour some more.
Okay. More?
Wait. We're doing the slime, guys. It's getting slimy.
Okay.
Do some more.
Oh, that's so fast.
Oh. So, Kylie, you're going to play with the slime. It's really slimy.
Yeah. And that's the worst slime.
So that's clear slime. That's what we did. We just add it here. Look at the clear slime.
Oh!
Boing. Boing.
Should I do that?
Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm going to do my slime by myself for some night for this. Oh guys, I did a big mistake. I did a mess. I made too much space.
Okay, let me see. We're going to mix it all together.
Is it cool?
Oh, it has jiggly eyes. Look at the slime.
Give me it, give me it,
You want to make sure you put the jiggly eyes so you can see it and that they get into the slime. Maybe you can hear it.
Wow, it's super interesting. I see the jiggly eyes.
You see the jiggly eyes?
Yeah.
So do you want to do more slime?
Yeah.
Do you want to do one with color?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put this one away here.
Yeah, this one looks like cool.
That one looks like cool. Let's put it away over here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to close this one. And we can put this away with our slimes over there.
Yeah.
Okay, so now next we're going to do slime again, but this time we're going to add some colors, Kylie. So these colors we're going to add them, okay? No, not that. That's already done. We're going to make it ourselves again. Okay, so we are going to do slime with color, and we're going to put some glitter.
Macaroni.
So you want to use pink and blue?
Yeah.
Okay.
How about orange and green? Because it's not bad.
So orange and green?
Yeah.
Okay, so no pink and blue.
Yeah.
Orange and green. Okay,
Yeah.
so first we're going to get the, again, glue. And we're going to put 15 milligrams.
50 milligrams? Hey, look. That's pink. See pink. See pink? There.
I'm gonna put the glue.
I think I'm gonna mix it a bit.
Can I?
Mix it for a little bit.
Yep. Oh wait, not yet. We gotta put the water. You forgot?
Yeah, I need to.
You're gonna put water. You're gonna mix it with the water. So water, we're going to put B25, which is all the way to the top. Okay, now we're going to mix in the colors. So what color did we say? We're gonna do orange, a little dose of orange,
And green.
and green. So let's put some orange.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what color it's gonna give us.
Wonder.
And some green.
Green, so we can get all greeny.
All greeny. And what? Okay, we got some green. What? You wanna put this glitter?
Yeah, some glitter.
We're gonna put some glitter. Oh, okay. So you're gonna mix it, and now we're gonna add the activator, which is 5 milligrams, and you're gonna mix. Okay, Kylie?
And we need a little bit more glitter.
5 milligram. Okay, so mix. And mix. Oh, it's getting there, and it's green. It just stayed green. It didn't even do much. It's like a green glitter. Green.
Yeah, that don't look like happy.
Let me see. Let's mix it up good.
I guess let's put more glitter.
More glitter. We have a lot of glitter there, Kylie.
Yeah.
Oh no, you put all the glitter. Oh no, what a mess.
Can I mix it? Well, it's getting more awesome. It's getting more awesome. You know that? I think it's done. These are slimy. I don't know how to take it out. You what? Guys, miss more. Subscribe and like, and hope you like this video. And I think that this is the worst. Bye bye. Thumbs up. Okay, we need a top. Do we need a big one?
Alright guys, thank you for tuning into our vlog. If you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to hit the subscribe button. Bye! Bye!